Hi traders, it's Ray here from TradeView, and welcome to episode number 239 of the Trading Talk. I've heard from clients many times that what they want to build is an algorithm to pass their prop trading challenge. While algorithmic trading is the way to go to pass the challenge, most of the people I speak with only have a trading strategy but don't mention trade management. In this week's episode, I'll be showing you a toolbox of trade management functions that can be used in your strategies to help you to pass the challenge. These functions will help you to adhere to the strict rules required of professional traders and back up the strategies you have designed to trade the markets. While these trade management functions can be used in your trading, you will need to have a good quality strategy in order to make best use of this. If you don't have a good quality algorithm built yet, this is your chance. We have a few seats remaining for the in-house systems building day in September, so if you haven't booked your ticket yet, now's your opportunity. Call in and we'll help you out. I hope you enjoy this episode of the Trading Talk series, and until next time, all the best with your trading.